Hey, I got you on video acting like a dork. Okay. Michael, Malik, Jackson. Okay, so doing a video on the Coreluxe Revolution Rust. I did a prior video on the reclaimed barn board. They were longer planks. These are shorter planks. And what this is this. So if we can get this to go right. Revolution Rust 4mm. Click together. Coreluxe. So I can tell you, I don't know if they changed manufacturers or what, but I like the fit and finish on the longer boards. I'm not too particularly happy with these short boards, to tell you the truth. So, but anyway, I can tell you, I tried dry fitting them, and kudos to you guys that can dry fit these things and get them together perfectly. Yeah. So I was just kind of curious myself. And in the prior video, I show how to add silicone into the seams, and that gives you a water-resistant floor. So this floor is treated with Kills Original and no concrobium, because that's an oil base. So it just Kills Original with high-tech ceramic additives. So there's 2-3 coats on here. And that seals up the subflooring and gives me an R7, roughly R7 value. So I'm going to have Mr. Cameraman hold the camera. I'm going to show you the best way that you can get these boards in that I've found. And also, Malik, get up. Come on, cameraman. Also, I highly recommend using the silicone between the joints. It makes the joints go together a lot easier. So you want to take over here, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, come on over here. So what I'm using on this stuff, and I want to use a black sealant, is video. So I need you to show the people what I'm using here, cameraman. Dynaflex Ultra DAP, right? Okay, Weathermax. This is what we're using. Okay, and cut the end really small, very, very small. Okay, what you do is you drop a little bead in. Pay attention, cameraman, please.
I am.
So you drop a little bead in on the leading edge. Now you want this edge facing you. At least that's how I'm doing it on the install. So I'm going to show you how to lay this in. So what I do is I'm going to start with this leading edge facing me, and I'm going to have this edge facing me. I'm going to go from the right to the left, and I'm going to lay this in that seam, and I'm going to wiggle it. Now I want it really close to this abutting edge. I'm going to drop it down, and I want it as close as I can get it without touching. Okay, there, right there. Now I'm going to hold this down here, and I'm going to take it, push down on the seam, the butting seams, and I'm going to lift up a little bit and wiggle it, and wiggle the hell out of it, and that should get it in. Now I'm not done. I need to seal up, finish sealing the seam here. So what I'm going to do is take a paper towel, and I'm going to rub this in to the seam. Okay, and I want that seam to get filled. Okay, so like I said, the fit and finish on this Coreluxe Revolution Rust is not as tight as the other one, and the boards ain't as good. I either got a bad batch of boards, or who knows, but I'm not impressed with the fit and finish on this compared to the other Coreluxe reclaimed barn board. Those way better in finish for the seams. So that's okay though, because the Revolution Rust, I don't mind. This is supposed to look like a bunch of rusty planks on the ground, right on the floor. So if you've got a bit of a gap in between them here, and it's filled, and it looks black and rusty and corroded, more the better. And you know, something that if you're going to do stuff yourself in your home, you want to try and do stuff that's rustic you know, use products that are forgiving, you know, or have your ideas be forgiving, you know what I mean? So if something goes wrong, it's okay, it kind of blends in. Go rustic. If you're gonna have it looking like a Taj Mahal, hire somebody. Me, I don't mind rustic, and actually prefer it. I've seen so many Taj Mahals, I'm kind of sick of looking at homes and mansions and stuff that kind of boring. I like to have that contrast. I like the character. I like stuff to look like it's got a few imperfections in it. Looks like somebody actually put some time into it. A real person made it and put it together. Had a couple boo-boos, no big deal. Okay, now I'm not done, so now I'm going to grab my rag. Okay, so you wipe off the excess, and then you grab your rag. And what we're going to do is we're going to finish the surface here on those seams. Okay, and finish this, getting this really clean. I want all that silicone off the surface of this stuff. Pay attention, Mallet, don't be messing with your phone. So what you're going to do is get this completely cleaned up as best you can here. You got to be quick because it dries fast, and this stuff is pretty tacky. Now you see, I got a seam here. Now, if I want to close that up a little bit, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my leading edge. Give me the phone.